Welcome back, guys. Yeah, welcome to Global Gift TV. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make $200 weekly, creating, just buying and selling a domain name. You never created domain name, you never think of it before, but just buying and selling domain name without doing anything. You are making $200 in a week. You get approximately $200. But I don't know how fast you can grab this opportunity, but it is an opportunity you can make money from without learning any skills. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, yeah, this is Global Gift TV. I'm a Nigeria-based YouTuber. I do research every day on how to make money, and I used to post video every day on how to make money. If you like this content like this, you can subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below, and also share it to your friends. They can benefit from this opportunity. Okay, let's get started, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn off the notification button. It's out to this. Turn on the notification button so that YouTube can notify anytime I post new video. Okay, guys. Okay, let's get started, guys. First, let's check how much people are making creating a domain name, a website name for people. Okay, how much? Okay, let's go to Fiverr and see how people are making money just creating a domain name and selling domain name. Okay, okay, selling domain name, selling domain name. Okay, let's check Fiverr how much they are making there now before we proceed. Okay, like this guy now, he charged $5 for selling a domain name. Okay, this one collect $55. It's going to teach you how to sell your domain name. It's going to teach you how to sell your domain name. It's not that you're not creating it. Guys, let's watch the video carefully. This one is going to teach you how to sell your domain name. But in today's video, I'm going to show you where to buy it and where to sell it. But this guy is charging $55, just selling it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it, but I'm just showing you how people are making money from this before I start this video. Okay, this guy is making $10 sending a list of domain name for people. Okay, this one is making 200, showing making money buying and selling domain name, and it's collecting $30. It's not that you are selling, it's not that he's giving you the domain name. What happened is that it's going to show you where to buy the domain name from, and it's getting $30 without wasting of time. Okay, this one is going to list his domain name on his site for just $20. Okay, this one is charging $15 for collecting a domain name. Let's say approximately in a day you make $200, you make $20 in a day. $20 times 5, let's say you are not doing anything. $20 times 5, that is $100. You are making $100 just in a week. But if you are fast about this audit, you can be making at least $200 in a week without wasting your time. Okay, this one is collecting, okay, it's collecting $15. But what this one do actually is that this one just help you to acquire it. It's not that, okay, I help you acquire your domain name, locate the owner, and answer your domain question. Okay, understand me? This one is not buying it though. You just want to show you where you're gonna give the owner, where you're gonna give you the owner, where you're gonna sell it. That it. Okay, let's go back. Let's check some people that are selling it again. Okay, before I start a video. Okay, let's check people that are buying domain name. Okay, buying domain name. People are buying domain name because some big companies will come to Fiverr, Upwork, Cooking Gigs to come and buy their domain name. Okay, see this guy now. I will help you to buy domain name. Just check this video. Just check it carefully, guys. Okay, check it carefully now. He said, I will help you to buy domain name. He's going to buy domain name and the hosting. He'll help you to buy it. He will give it to you for what? For $140. $140. and the site you are creating. I'm going to teach you how to do everything in this video. Okay, people are making a lot of money from this. I'm making a lot of money for this. Okay, this one just suggesting website domain name for people. Okay, and it's collecting $10. It's not selling domain name, it's just telling people where to buy domain name from. Okay, let's get started in this video, sir. Okay, let's get started. First thing you are going to do is that you go to the site called justdrop.com. Make sure you are with your pen and your biro so that you can understand this full details about this video. Okay, you can also rewatch the video again to understand it better. Due to your understanding, I don't know how fast you are. Okay, the first thing you are going to do is that you search for justdrop.com. Okay, this website is where you see a domain name you can buy. They have many types of domain name there. Okay, are you seeing? This domain name is for sale. Domain means, for people that don't understand tech or don't understand how to build a website, domain means website name. www.nigeria.something, that means that is a website, and that website means domain name. But to create a domain name, you need a hosting, and you need hosting that deal with the person that want to do the domain name for you. And in Nigeria, you want to create a domain name, want to create a website, you need at least 70,000 naira to do it. That's 70,000 naira to do it. Let's say you are in abroad, they can charge you, let's say people charge $50, $70 to do a domain name. Some people charge $200 just for a domain name. It depends on how you are good in creating your domain name. Okay, let's go to this justdrop.com. Okay, this is justdrop.com. You see many domain name you can buy. You buy it at cheaper price. Okay, you can see domain name at $5. Okay, like those guys in Fiverr, they'll come here to come and buy a domain name $5. I'm selling for people like $200, $100, but you can buy it at $5. Okay, check the price there. Okay, like they have many domain name they want to sell at cheaper price there. Okay, this is where you buy the domain name, justdrop.com. You can write it down in your book. Yes, okay, this is one of the website I want to sell. Make sure you are following me. Okay, let's check some website I want to sell this domain name. Let's see. Okay, you click on see it. Okay, like this website now is for sale. Okay, this website is for sale. This is the name of the website here. Okay, the name is onibuka.com. Okay, that's the name of the website I want to sell. Okay, make sure you register and sign up, create an account here. Okay, after getting the domain name here, the next thing is that you can also buy domain name for iOS, iOS. Okay, like you want to sell it to a customer, or you want to buy it for maybe you are using an iPhone, you can get some here. Okay, you can get it here. Okay, this domain name, they are for sale. This one too is for sale for only 100 users. Okay, after you have checked your domain name from justdrop.com, what happens is that you go to EST bot. make sure you know the name of the site you see there. See many sites, okay, like this one in justdrop.com. now they'll say you see the site, like this site is for sale, exvita.com. okay, just have to know the name there. You go to estbot, okay, you search for estbot.com, you check the price of the domain name. Okay, you have to log in. You can buy domain name pre-sharing, okay, but if your estbot is not open on your phone, you can leave it. You can go to dynadot.com to go and buy your domain name there. You can buy the domain name, you can buy it from them. Okay, we are buying expired domain. We are buying expired domain. Okay, here in dynadot.com you can see some sites they want to sell it. This one is seeing $16, okay, $16. This one $22. You can buy it $22, $16, okay. You can also check some price. If you check next, you can be seeing some price that are very low. You can buy it, okay, you can buy it there, okay, $17, $16, okay. But okay, this one is $14. You can buy this one like it's $14, okay. You buy the domain name. After you are done buying domain name, okay, are you seeing it here? You place your bid. After placing your bid of $14, after placing it, you pay. Make sure you pay. You have to sign in, okay. After you're done with that, make sure you buy the domain name there. You can pay through your card, maybe MasterCard, Visa card, and some online payments you can make through there. After you're done with this, you go to flipper.com, okay. This is where you will sell the domain name at high price, okay. You're going to sell it at high price here, like a marketplace to buy and sell. You put your price list here. I have to sign in. You sign up, okay. You want to see now, send now, click there, you will register. Okay, what are you selling? You continue, you do everything. That is free escrow service. That means there is no any escrow between you and your customer. Customer will pay to your account directly and you get paid. That is it's very easy here, okay. How selling on, you can also check how you can sell on flipper.com. It's very easy. Let's say you buy the site $14, you come here to come and sell it $70, $60, depending on the customer looking for it, okay. You put the site you want to sell, you put it here on the list. Let's say you want to sell ebuko, okay, ebuko.com. That is site you want to sell. They are giving you from the dynadot, okay. You put it here, you list it on the domain name. It doesn't like, okay, because this site doesn't have a domain name. I just guessing the domain name, doesn't have the domain name. That's why it will not show there. After searching of the domain name, you just put your prices and everything will go. Right? And if you learn something in this video, can you like this video, comment below, share to this channel for more. Okay, after you have gotten your domain name, yes, you can also sell it on fiverr.com, okay. You can also put your gig on Fiverr, telling them that you can create a domain name. Likewise, those people that used to sell on Fiverr, okay. Go back to Fiverr here. Make sure you sign up, register your account there. You can start selling your account there, okay. Like domain buying, make sure you set your gigs. Domain buying. Okay, like the guys you see there that used to buy and sell domain, you are going to check how they set their profile. You are going to do the same thing so that people can come to you to come and buy a domain name. Okay, how are you going to do it? You can also sell it on dynadot.com. You can also sell it on flipper.com. I showed you before. You can sell it there at a very cheap price, but you're buying it $14 and you're selling it at the rate of $50. That is a huge amount of profit you can be making every day. Make sure you list your domain name on fiverr.com, because you can use upwork.com. Showed you upwork.com on my previous video. Upwork.com. Okay, search for upwork.com. It's also a freelancer to work there. Okay, make sure you set your gigs on Upwork too. Let's check how much people are making for buying domain name. Okay, domain, selling domain name. Okay, let's see, selling domain. Okay, domain name, selling domain. Okay, so people sell domain. Okay, this one charge $18. So charge $45. Okay, this one $71 for buying domain. Okay, so from US, this one charge $40. Do you want an this one deals with designing and creating of a domain name. That means creating of website. Most of them are web developer. You are also a web developer too. Can come to work Upwork, can come to Fiverr and some freelancer to come and showcase your product so that people can buy it from you there. Okay, yes, this is our stop. Okay, thanks for watching. See my next video. Subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Thanks for watching.